What's up everyone? So in this video I'm gonna share you how to create the seamless carousel for the Instagram post in Canva. So the first step that you need to do is you can go to the create, and after that you can start to make sure in the social media section. For example, this is the section or the measurement of your page if you'd like to have the post. And as you can see over here, there is the measurement for this Instagram post, and the pixels gonna be 1080 multiply with 1350. So for the 1350, usually it is for the height, guys. In case if you'd like to create the carousels and it has 4 slides, for example, so we need to multiply this 1080 with the 4. For example, we can do it into the calculator like this. 1080 multiply by 4. So the pixel that we're gonna use over here is this 4320. For example, we will go to the custom size, and after that we will put the width into the section, and after that the height 1350, and click this create new design, and it will bring you into this section, and you can start to pick about the topic that you would like to put into the carousels. For example, I'm going to talk about what makes the marriage healthy, and I'm going to copy the point of this, and for example the respect and appreciation, turning toward each other, healthy conflict management, positive empathy and emotional responsiveness, and also the shared value and meaning. And after that you can start to pick the background for this. For example, I'm gonna select this one, and after that you can go to this section, the file, and go to the setting and click add guides, and after that we will put the grid line to give us the guidelines about this is the section for the opening, and this is the content, and this is the CTA. Go to the custom, or you can also find it into the 3 columns over here. And after that I will start to remove this gap to become 0, and this is the result, and I want it to be 4, and this is the look, and click add guides. Perfect. And after that you can start to put your title into this section. For example, go to the text, click add heading. This is for the first picture or the first slide carousels, for example like this. And you can also adjust the color. I want it to be a little bit sheer, for example like this, and I'm gonna make it a little bit darker. I think this is perfect. And after that I will start to go to the text again and go to the subheading, but I will put it here for the content. And after that you can start to paste all of this point into the section. I will start to click this list or the bullets numbering and paste it here. For example like this is the content that I put, and also the CTA, like follow for more tips. And after that you can also add the picture as the background, let's say about the marriage. I'm going to go to the graphic, and for example I'm going to select this one, and always use the filling if you'd like to create the design, for example like this. I will adjust the transparency, let's say to be 45, it's enough, and I will apply it for the rest of the slide. For example like this, guys. Next, you can start to really separate this carousel into the 4 parts. So you need the apps over here, name the split, and select this image splitter and click open over here. And if you would like to use this design from here, so you need just click this export design. And after that, you can also adjust it, let's say to be PNG, and you can also adjust the size over here. Okay, I will take it to be 2 and click export. And after that, you will see the exported design over here. And you just simply scroll down and you can start to do the adjustment. For example, you can adjust the rows, but we don't need it. We just need the columns, and it's already perfectly divided into the 4 parts. And even as you can see here, there is the carousel part. You can also use it. For example, like this. After all of this grid line has already perfectly been set up, then you can click this split image. And this is gonna be the preview for every single part, guys. However, since we would like to put it in the different page, so you need to go to this add page. However, go to this arrow down and go to the social media and choose the Instagram post. And after that, we're gonna put this image 1 to this section, add to design, and adjust the size. And do the same for the rest of this image. And the last design, add page first, add to design, and increase the size. And now this 4 design will be ready to download. Go to the share, go to the download, and after that you can start to adjust the pages. Since we would only download this page 2 until page 5, you can unmark this page 1. Click done, and I will go to this PNG. And after that, you can go to the download and kindly wait for the download process. And this is the result, guys. You can simply open it and extract it. And there you have it. This is the final look. So don't forget to try create your own carousels like the seamless into the Canva. And I hope this video found you helpful. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.